Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Hide the first layer. Go to Image. Adjustments. Desaturate to remove the colors. Change the blending mode of this layer to Screen. Go to Image. Adjustments. Levels. And adjust the levels as needed. Hide the second layer and select the first layer. Choose the elliptical marquee tool and click on the layer mask. Open the second image, press Ctrl A to select all, then Ctrl C to copy it. Go back to your main document and press Ctrl V to paste the second image as a new layer. Press Ctrl T to transform the new layer. Resize and position it as you like. And drag this layer below the main image layer. Select the copied layer and click on Mask. Select the brush tool. Set the color, and paint on the mask to hide parts of the image. Finally, select the main layer and adjust its color to enhance the final look.